Today's YouTube video and live streaming will be about the 5 second binary options trading strategy. This is our second day testing the strategy, which was suggested to me by one of my viewers. It seems it's quite a popular strategy. It's beyond my way of trading. I think trading 5 second time expiry time is extremely dangerous. However, the performance yesterday was shocking to say the least. I was able to make around 30% ROI, $30 in around 34 minutes, which was quite a shock for me, to be quite honest. So I usually keep an open mind when I see a certain strategy around the web or suggested to me by any of my viewers. So I enjoyed testing those. Last week we tested the martingale for 9 days. The verdict was good to go. However, it was a refined martingale strategy with a few additional layers of safety and a little bit of technical analysis. Now, for the 5 second strategy that we're gonna trade and learn today, please be careful. You can easily liquidate yourself. Trading by nature is dangerous, let alone trading 5 seconds expiry times. It's even more dangerous. So you should be extremely disciplined. You should have strict risk management and money management rules in place. And you should, in my opinion, you should at least have a $500 balance in your account, since this 5 second strategy involves a little bit of martingale as well. In case you lose a trade, you have to increase the amount a little bit to recover the loss and make some profit. So, $500 in your balance is highly recommended. Um, if this is beyond your budget, I got you covered. You can join my VIP group through the Telegram links in the description box. You can contact me there, sign up on Pocket Option using my link, and I have an exclusive 100% deposit bonus for you guys, exclusively for my traders. So you can deposit, let's say, 250. With the bonus, you'll have the $500 in your account. That being said, I'm using the tournament to test the strategy. This is a very, smart way of testing things out, since it's risk free. The starting amount is $100, and this is an additional positive, if I can say that. That's an additional positive for us, since we will be putting the strategy under heavy stress. So we'll be stress testing it a lot. So if under stress test it made us few bucks, it made us money every day for the next 7 days, that means it's a good strategy to go for. Now, let me show you this table over here. So today I reduced the amounts a little bit. So what we're gonna do is this. We do 5 trades per cycle, per trading cycle. So if you win the first, we stick to this amount. However, if we lose, we use the second amount over here. If we win, we go back to the first. If we lose, we go to the third. If we win, we go back to the first, and so on and so forth. So after each trade, this is going to be your net profit after recovering the previous loss. And for example, here as well, this is going to be your net profit after recovering your previous 3 losses. So today I reduced the second, third, fourth, and fifth amount a little bit to make things a little bit safer. Okay, so these are the amounts you're going to use. Make sure you have your Excel sheet by your side because you need to be changing the amounts every time you lose in case you have losing streaks. Second thing, I want to let's go to the charts and set up the chart. First thing first, there's a very nice option from Pocket Option if you are trading the real money account. I don't think we have it here within the tournament thing. But on Pocket Option, when you are trading your real money account, here in the amount location, if you click on this tab over here, you will have an option to set a limit, a maximum trade amount. So I suggest if you have $500 amount account, for example, to set the limit to 50. So in case, for example, you forgot to use the decimals, as look over here, there are decimals 2.3, 5.5. So in case you forgot or by mistake you didn't put the decimal in the amount, that $50 thing will secure you, so you'll only trade $50 maximum. If you needed to trade more than 50, you can change that or remove the safety feature. Now, let's set up the chart and uh, explain strategy and start trading. First, first thing you need to change to use the normal candlesticks, and you need to change the expiry, the chart time frame to 30 seconds. So we click here. The second thing you need to do is to adjust the expiry time from this tab over here to 5 seconds. Now, obviously, you will have to use OTC. This only works on OTC since trade expiry less than 1 minute on live market pairs are not available on Pocket Option. So you go over here, you click S5, so you have your expiry time in place. Now, it is important to mention that this strategy only works for pairs that has a payout more than 90%. Anything less than 90%, if you have a loss and you doubled up, you will not recover your losses. You will still be in a loss. So the third step we should do is add as many 90 plus ROI pairs as possible. So let's do this. Okay, 92, 91, and that's it. Now, I like to activate the hotkeys for easy browsing of my favorite pairs over there without using the mouse. As you can see, quickly browsing the pairs. Now, we will add one technical indicator just to see where is the price going, what is the trend of the asset we are trading. So you go to the indicators tab over here and add the one moving average. You go ahead to the settings. It's a 200 simple moving average. Color is up to you. I like to make the line thick, 2 pixels wide, and that's it. Okay, now the rules of the strategy are as follow. Preferably look for a downtrend or for an uptrend. Preferably trade with the trend. However, the strategy was suggested to me to trade whatever the trend is. That out of the way, the strategy is the following. You have a 30 seconds candle, you wait for it to close, and at the open of the next bar, if the first 5 seconds are green, you go for a 5-second buy position. If the first 5 seconds of the new bar or red, you go for 5 seconds sell position. All right. Again, let me repeat. So you wait for a new candle, 30 seconds candle to open, and once the new bar or candle opens, you wait for 5 seconds. If you see green, you go for a buy, or if you see red, the first 5 seconds, you go for a sell. Very straightforward, very simple. So again, yesterday we had, I can say with all peace of mind, a fantastic trading session. We made 31%. We increased our balance by $30 in around 35 minutes of trading. So let's go ahead and begin trading. We have a 91% pair. That's perfect. Let me change the amount to 1. And let's go ahead and wait for the next 30 seconds bar to open and start trading. Let me go full screen. Perfect. So let's wait. Okay, we have red, and here we go. First one of the day, beautiful. So let's wait for the next candle open. We are in a clear downtrend for this pair. Let's see the next bar. Green, green, powerful green. We'll go for a buy. And that's it. Second win of the day. Let's wait for the next candle. You know, you can easily apply some, if you know some candlestick patterns, theories, or let's see, red. We have red, green, strong green. We go for a buy. If you know a few candlestick patterns, procedures, or um, that's a loss. So the second amount will be 2.3. Let's wait for the next candle open. So if you know certain techniques, you can add those techniques to your decision making process. Okay, we have a green, strong green. Okay, we go for a buy. But in this situation, I'm as usual, that's a loss as well. Let me see the third trade amount. It's a 5.5. So in this situation, I'll try to avoid, you know, including more technical analysis and more analysis to the procedure just to stress test the strategy. Let's see, we have a red, we go for a sell. That's a loss. Let me see, $13. So now we are doing the fourth trade. Let's see. Green, red, we go for a sell. And we have a win. We go back to $1. So we are already up 4.8%. Let's change the pair. Usually, as a rule of thumb, avoid pairs with lots of wicks. See, too many wicks. Try to avoid these pairs. Just to let you know, we had our trading session with the VIPs before going live on YouTube. The OTC market today is crazy, even the live market. Very jumpy candles, wicks all over the place. So the markets today are very dangerous. So I took only 3 trades with the VIPs and stopped trading because we don't want to linger too long in such situations. Let me see this one. Okay, let's see if you can get a strong open. 2 seconds left. Look at this. Give me a red. Give me a red. That's it. I'll go for a sell. That's a shame. 2.3. We changed the amount as per the Excel sheet. 2.3. You see how easy you can do a typo. I typed 23 at the beginning. Let's see the opening of the next candle. Okay, give me a red. That's it. 26. And that's it. We go for a sell. And we have a win. We go back to 1. As per the Excel sheet, you always go back to the first trade amount whenever you have a win. Okay, so here we go. 28, 27, 26, 25. Go for the buy. Have a win as well. Let's see it. The second bar. Okay, red, green, green. Go for a buy. We have a win as well. So we are already up 7.8%. Let's wait for the new candle open. Here we go. Green, red, powerful red. Pull back. We go for a sell. That's a loss. So we enter the second amount. I'll change pair since you see it started doing lots of wicks. So it's unstable, undecisive. So we change the pair. This is in an overall downtrend situation. So let's see it. No, very few wicks. Power bars almost everywhere, which is okay. Let's wait for the next bar open. 2.3 since we lost the first trade on the USD Singapore pair. Let's see, green, green, powerful green, 25. Here we go. That's a loss. So third amount is 5.5. You adjust your trade amount. Let's see the next bar. Let's see, we have red, 25. That's it. We go for a sell. Pull back on us. Fourth amount, 13. Let's wait for the new bar as well. Give me a red bar. Come on, baby. I like this gap. However, come on. Huge push to the upside. We go for a buy. Come on. And that's a loss. Now it's becoming extremely risky for $100 balance account. So the fifth trade is $30. You see where this is going? I'll change this pair. I need something moving in a certain direction. Avoid flat. You see, this is very flat. Avoid this. Look for something that has a clear down or uptrend. 82%. Let's remove this. Okay, you have a clear uptrend here. So let's see. Up, green, green. Let's go. That's a loss. Okay, so guys, up to this point, you should stop trading as you are already in a loss. I forgot to mention at the beginning of this session, you should always set yourself some goals, maybe $20. Once you reach $20 in profit, you stop, or once you reach $20 in a loss, this should be your stop loss. Okay. However, for the sake of this live streaming, to for educational purposes, I'll keep on trading. So let's change the pair. This looks good. I'll go back to, let's say I'll start my cycle from the first stage, 1. So let's see. Green, green, go for a buy. It's a loss, 2.3. Let's see the opening of the new candle. Green, red, red, go for a sell. Have a win. Very jumpy pairs today. Extremely jumpy pairs all over the place. So let's see the next opening. Green, red, red, 26, 25, go for a sell. That's a win. We stick to the $1 amount. So today we had 5 losing trades back to back using this strategy, even though we had a good start. Let's see, green, green, 26, 25, go for a buy. It should be over here. That's a win. Let's wait. Come on. Okay, that's the open. We have green, 27, 26, 25. We go for a buy. That's a win as well. Let's wait for the next candle open. Let's see if we can recover the losses. Okay, new candle, green, 28, 27, 26, 25. Go for a buy. This is the loss, 2.3, the next amount. Let's wait for the new bar. For the sell here. Is my screen still on? Can you guys see my screen? If anyone can tell me if you can see my screen, Let me check. Let me solve this very quickly. Share. Okay, I think I should be back now. Okay, now I'm back. So we won the 2.3. Let's go back to $1 and wait for the next candle open. So we are in a drawdown. We had 5 back-to-back losses. As you can see, the balance dropped critically low. This is why I always suggest at least a $500 account to use these kind of strategies. New candle, green, 28, red, 25, we go for a sell. And that's a win. So this is why I always tell you $100 and $200 account are gonna be very tough for these kinds of strategies. It's a must, guys. I can't sugarcoat it. I have to tell you the truth. You need anything $4 to $500. So we have red over here, 26, 25. That's it. We go for the sell. That's a loss. We change the amount as per the Excel sheet to 2.3 and wait for the next candle open. Now I know that maybe $500 might be over budget for many of you. This is why I have an exclusive 100% deposit bonus for anyone who wants to join my team using my pocket option link. We have a red 25, we go for a sell, and we have a loss, so we go for the third amount, 5.5. And let's wait for the next candle opening. Okay, that's nice, beautiful, come on. We have a red 26, 25, we go for a sell. And that's a win. We go back to $1. Let's see if we can. Let me change the pair. Let's change pairs. Okay. Here we might have a trend reversal happening. So let me see something with a clear trend. This is nice. So let's stick to this one. 92% payout. So we are okay. So let's see the next bar opening. Okay. Green, 27, 26, 25. We go for a buy. That was a bit jumpy. It's okay. So we increase the amount to 2.3. We wait for the next candle open. Do you guys think we can recover our drawdown? Green, 27, 26. Red, we go for a sell. That's a win. Go back to 1. Let's wait. Okay, we have red, green, red, 26, 25. We go for a sell. That's a very close loss. Let's go back to 2.3, increase the amount. Okay, so we have red, 26, 25, we go for a sell. Pulled back on us. We go for the third amount, 5.5. and wait for the next candle open. Okay, green, 27, 26, 25, we go for a buy. Also, it pulled back on us. Fourth amount, 13. This thing is becoming flat. So I will change pair maybe after this trade. Let's see. I'll take the last one here. Green, 28, 27, 25. Green, we go for a buy. And that's a win. We go back to $1 and let's look for something else with a clear trend. Look at this. Crazy. Look at this. So let's find something with a crystal clear trend to the upside or to the downside. 72%. Let's remove this. 88. We don't want. Let's add a few more 92% pairs, or 90, 91 also can be okay. So let's see. This is in a clear downtrend. So I don't like those wicks, so I will avoid it. This is in some sort of short-term downtrend. However, the overall trend is to the upside. Let's see. Let's see if you can use this. 25, 26, 25, we go for a buy. And that's a win. Okay. So let's wait. Look at this pullback. Green, 26, 25, we go for a buy. And that's a win. Let's wait a little bit for the next bar opening. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to use the live chat box. If you are watching us on replay, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It will help us with the algorithm, of YouTube. Let's see. Red, 27, 26. We go for a sell. Beautiful. That's a win. Okay, this thing is becoming very jumpy, so I will change the pair. This thing might be in a reversal, overall trend to the upside. I will use it anyways. Green, green, 25, we go for a buy. Nice. So we are recovering slowly. Okay, so now we recovered around 11%. Let me give you a tip over here. So in this case, we started with $100 account. Okay, the balance went down all the way to 60. Don't expect that you can easily recover $40 as fast as you lost those 40. So if you want to keep on trading, set yourself a goal. So for example, if I reach $80, I will stop and come back at a later stage. Because if you want to shoot for 40, this is called revenge trading, which will result in a loss for you. Trust me on this. So let's continue. 56% payout? Fuck this, man. Come on, let's see something else. Okay, you have some sort of demand area here, clear downtrend. So let's see. Green, have green. Okay, we go for a buy. This is going to be a loss, 2.3 as per the amounts. Wait for next bar open. Okay, you have green, green, go for a buy, pull back on us. Third, trade them out, 5.5. Kinda hungry. It's noon time here. 5, we'll go for a sell. It was a bit late of an entry, however, we have a win, so we go back to $1 amount. Let's see. Nice drop. Okay, red, 26, 25, we go for a sell. Beautiful momentum over here. It broke the previous support or zone, if you like to call it. Let's see the third. Two, one. Green. This has a gap. Green, red. Go for a sell. Might pull back. That's it. It pulled back. Nope. We have a win. Beautiful. So let's wait a few seconds. There's a huge momentum to the downside. Let's see. Okay, gap up. Beautiful. We have red, green. We go for it buy. We have a win. See, keep your cool, keep your discipline, keep yourself in check. So let's wait. See, we have a zone over here. It's rejecting from it. Let's see. Give me green, green, 26, 25. We buy. That's a loss. 2.3. We increase the amount. Let's wait for the next bar to open. A few seconds left. 3, 2, 1. We have red, green, 27, 26, 25. We go for buy. Come on, look at this pullback. So we go to our third trade amount, 5.5. Okay, let's see. We have red, 27, 25, green. We go for a buy. Come on. It's very close. 13. So now we are at the fourth trade of the cycle. $13. Let's wait. Green, red, excuse me, green. Green, we go for a buy. And that's going to be a win. Okay, so at this point, If I was trading my real money account and my account dropped from 100 to 60 and I went back up to 79, I would stop, okay? Because if you linger too long within the market and you are in a drawdown, your mindset will switch to the revenge trading mindset, which will eventually liquidate you. Okay, I know this might sound a bit harsh. However, these are facts. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm trading live. I'm showing my winning trades. I'm showing my losing trades. This is uncut, unedited trading. Okay? This is unlike most of what you see on the internet and on YouTube. Most of the YouTubers who trade binary options, they show you 80% to 90% win rate. That's BS. That's bullshit, guys. Grow up. Forget about those. There's nothing close to have 90 and 80% days every single day. It's not gonna happen, okay? Now, that being said, for educational purposes only, I will continue trading and stop when I recover my account to $100. So we already recovered 20. Now the next goal is to reach another 20 and recover the balance over here. And so you can see if I lost, you can see the downside of over trading in the market. All right, so let's continue. I'll change the pair. Let me see this. This is nice to the upside. So let's see. Let me change the amount to 1. Look at this gap. Come on, give me green. 26. I go for a sell. I'll stick to the strategy. This will reject at some point. We have a win. Beautiful. See, it's rejecting. Look at this. Okay, so let's wait. That's it. 28, 27, 25. We go for the sell. And that's a win. Let's wait for the next candle. Five seconds left. We have red, 28, green, 25. We go for a buy. Come on. Okay, let's increase the amount to 2.3. Might be in a reversal over here. Let's see. 27, 25. Go for a sell. That's a win. We go back to 1. I'll change pairs. Let's see. Okay. This is moving in a range. However, it might be reversing. It's an overall downtrend, so I'll go for this. 28, 25. Okay. Go for a sell. Beautiful. Come on. That's it. So let's wait. Beautiful drop. We have a zone over here. Let's see if it's gonna breach this zone. All right. We have green, green, powerful green. We go for a buy. We have a win. Let's see. We have green, red, green, powerful green. We go for a buy. That was a loss. Let's go for 2.3. And wait for the opening of the next bar. That's it. Green, powerful green. Go for a buy. We have a loss. Go for the third amount. See, you need to be patient. You need to be disciplined. You need to stay cool. Powerful green. Okay, we go for a buy. 2-1. And that's a win. Go back to 1. Okay, 2-1. Let's see. Red. Powerful red. We go for a sell. Let's prepare 2.3. Have a loss over here. So we already recovered most of our losses. Let's see if we can recoup and go back to our initial balance, $100, and I'll call it a day with a tie. So yesterday we had a winning day. We won $30. Let's see, powerful buyers. Let's see, we go for a buy. And that's a win. We go back to $1. Let me change the pair. Lots of wicks. We don't go for it. This might be reversing. Let me see. Lots of sellers momentum. Beautiful. Okay. It's giving me green, so we go for a buy. That's a win. Okay. The payout dropped, so we change the pair. So the strategy is very basic. You wait for a new candle open, lots of wicks, sideways movement, avoid. This is an overall downwards momentum. Let me take this. 26, 25. Okay, we go for a sell. That was close. 2.3, the next amount. So the rules are easy. The opening of the new 30-second candle, you look for the color at the first 5 seconds. If it's green, you go for a buy. If it's red, you go for a sell. For 5 seconds expiry time, your signal is the first 5 seconds. We have red, 26, 25. We go for a sell. Very nice. Let's go to $1 and wait for the next bar open. Do we have a zone nearby? Nope. Let's see. "15 seconds until the new bar opens up." Undecisive. Usually I avoid trading when I see this. However, let's see. Okay, have green, 27, 25. We have red, we go for a sell. The sell was logical since you have topping tail bar, which indicates seller's pressure. So the fact that gave us a red signal was on point. Let me change the pair. However, let's see the last one. This seems to have beautiful momentum. Let's go. That's a loss. 2.3. We increase the amount. Okay, few seconds left. Okay, we have red, green, 27, 26, 25. We go for a buy. And we have a win. Let's change the amount to 1 and look for another pair. Let me see this. Lots of wicks. Lots of wicks. Nope. Sideways. Flat situation. We don't trade. Let me see if I have more 92% payouts. Yes, we do. Let's add a few. Okay, let me see those new ones. This is an overall downward situation. It's making a new high. I'll avoid this. This is an undecisive pair. However, we have a supply area over here. So let's see. Five seconds. That's a new. Okay. Powerful. Okay, go for a sell. That's a loss. 2.3. Let's wait. Okay, we have green. 25. Go for a buy. That's a win. So let's go back to $1. So our recovery process is going very nice. Let's see here. Green. Okay, go for a buy. That's a loss. 2.3. After the second trade, I will change the pair. Let's see. Green. Red, we go for sell. And that's a loss. So we increase the amount to 5.5. So that's our third trade in the cycle. Come on, the payout dropped. No problem. We remove the pair. Let's find something else. This is in a clear uptrend. So let's see here. We have down. Let's go for a sell. That's a loss. So we go to 13. Let me see. If I see green, it would be ideal. Green. Okay. Nope. We go for a sell. Put back on us. So the fifth amount. So we had four losing trades back to back. So let me see. Strong green, red, green. I won't trade this one. It's too shaky. I'll find something else. Look at this. It's a disaster. Right. Nope. Okay, so this is rejecting from a supply area. So let's see. If we lose this one, I will stop. Beautiful. Give me red, guys. Give me red. Look at this gap. Come on, I don't like it. Okay, 26, 25, we go for a sell. Beautiful, and that's a win. Okay, guys, so let me stop here. Let me do a small recap of today's session. So we started with $100. We went into a drawdown to $60. So we were $40 in a loss drawdown minus, and we were able to recover those $40. Now, ideally, when you are in a loss, in this, like in this situation, especially if you have a $100 account and you are in a $40 drawdown, that's 40% of your balance. You should stop trading and go away. Or if you want to keep on trading, set yourself a goal to recover 20 out of the 40. Once you reach 80, stop trading and go do something else, come back the next day. For educational purposes, I decided to keep on trading and we recovered our account, most of the account. So I will consider this day as a tie. So we had one winning day yesterday, one winning day so far yesterday, and one tie day, which is today. Yesterday we made $31. Today I'll consider it a tie. However, we lost, let's be objective, we lost $3.3. So we are still $29 up. Okay, so we still have 5 days to go testing the strategy. On the fifth day, I will give my final verdict if you can use it or not. All right. I'll give you a few minutes if you have questions before wrapping this up. So if you have questions, do not hesitate. Use the live chat. Or if you are watching us on replay, YouTube, use the comments. Give you a minute. Okay, I see no questions. Perfect. So thank you guys for watching and see you tomorrow at the same time testing the same 5 seconds trading strategy for binary options. Thank you and goodbye.